Hi guys, I'm Sarika and welcome back to my channel, Your Knowledge Buddy. So today I'm back with another new video where I'll be talking about how you can make your own cover letter. So firstly, what is a cover letter? It is a letter of introduction which is used to personalize your job application. And this is different to CV. CV tells how your past experience is important for a job. However, cover tells how your past application is applicable for the job you're applying. So it will help you personalize your job application. So today, I'm going to give you a demo of Europass, how you can use Europass to create your CV in no time. It's that easy. The only point which you need to remember, what is the content you're writing? The template is not important. It needs to be a one-pager and the format is very simple. Like I have example here. You need to start with your full name, provide your email address, phone number, and other details. And this section is very important, which is called middle paragraph. So you need to tell who you are, why you're applying, and a closing statement. And the last is the footer where you enclose your CV and you just provide your full name. So for this demo, let's get started with Europass. So this is the Europass official website. And as you come on the home page, you can see there's an option of create cover letter. So just click on it. You'll be prompted either to create your profile or you can continue without even creating a profile. So for this demo, I'm going to say continue without creating your profile. So you will be provided with option of, if you have already created a cover letter before, you can resume from where you left, you can import it or select from your library or even create a new cover letter. So I'm going to say create new cover letter. So I will say resume last cover letter. I'm going to say continue. So here you'll be prompted to enter whether the language is English or some other language. I'm going to say English. Date format is date, month, year format. Now this section is your header section, which I explained here. Provide your email address, provide your details, phone number. So I'm going to start with my first name, your knowledge, and here I'm going to say buddy. Address line, again, you can provide 1, 2, 3 if you want. Again, this is optional. I will say do not pay too much of attention here. What is important here is you need to provide your phone number. Again, for this demo, I will say India. Provide your details. And of course, if you want a country, it's totally up to you. This is not mandatory. Now, email address is very important. So make sure your email address is provided and you can save this section. So your header is ready. Now you need to worry about the middle paragraph like I was explaining here. So you need to provide the details of the date and whom are you addressing to and tell about yourself. So here is the title of the person. So here I'm going to say Miss and I'm going to say for this demo, just any name. You can provide the name of the company you are applying. So Amazon. And then, of course, this is not mandatory. You can leave this open or blank. I'm going to just leave this open. Now, the next section is about the content. Now, here, date, city, date, and the subject. Again, this is not important. Here, subject. So you need to tell which application and for which post you have applied. So vacancy for senior BA role, and you can save this. Now comes your content bit, the details. Now let's start with, first of all, opening salutation. So just say, dear Miss, last name you can provide like Smith. Now I've already written the main content from my cover letter. So I'm going to just copy paste here. So this bit is very important. You need to spend time. You need to tell who you are. For example, I have said in this, my name is XYZ. I'm a senior software engineer with BTech in computer science. Over 5 years of experience in mobile and e-commerce industry. And I'm telling about, I have developed the apps before. And then I'm telling I'm applying for this role because it's matching with the job description. And I have already launched apps before. And then I'm trying to say, I also have other skill set which might be useful in your company. That is all you have to do. So you have to do a sales pitch in a very concrete and crisp way. And also your last sentence is more like, I'm attaching my CV and looking forward to hear from you. That's it. And that is more than enough. Your cover letter shouldn't be more than 3 para. And you can just save this. And at the bottom, you come here is the closing statement. So if you remember, this is what I was talking about. Your closing statement will be sincerely, your full name. That's it, your footer. So here examples are your sincerely, and then I'll provide my name, your knowledge buddy. And then if you have a digital signature, you can upload here as well. Now, let's say save. Now, your cover letter is ready. You can just move to the next page. So now Europass provides you different options of the template. So you see there are 4 templates provided here. You can select the one, whichever is suitable for you. Say I will just select this one, and you can of course change the color as well, like I did. I've selected this purple color. Now you see this was the section I have written down here before. You see the footer, and this was the header. So this is done. Just click on next. Now you can provide any name, cover letter. You have the option of selecting the format of PDF, and then you can simply click on download. So once it's downloaded, you can open it. So this is your cover letter, which is ready. Okay, now what I have done, I have uploaded a few more examples for you guys on my website, yourknowledgebuddy.com/download. You can go and look at the cover letter templates. So there is filled examples, so you can take inspiration from those examples and use it. And also for this demo, what I have done, so there are other templates as well, which is available in the market. But again, the content that you write is important and not the template, as long as this is a one-pager. So just provide your email ID and phone number, which is important, and why you are interested to apply in that job. And again, like explained, I have provided example of electrical engineer, and I also have example of a developer. So you can use these examples just to see how you have to write or personalize your application. So for example, I have provided some lines here about electronics engineer, so you can use it if you want. And again, there are more examples which will be uploaded on my CV. So just use it. And also if there's an option, you can upload your photo as well, which is good enough. So that's all for the demo, guys. If you got any questions, if you don't understand anything, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.